Are you a DIY enthusiast? Are you looking to upgrade your home gym equipment? Why not combine both worlds with this versatile pull-up bar frame that lets you do a full upper body workout in the comfort of your own home? Hi everyone, welcome to BPNL Consulting, where innovation meets fitness. My name is Ben Nell, and today I'm excited to introduce our latest pull-up bar frame. With our pull-up bar frame, you can do a wide range of exercises, including pull-ups, push-ups, leg raises, dips, and it's ideal for someone who want to start off with calisthenics. And the best part is, we're offering the blueprints of this pull-up bar frame for all you DIY enthusiasts out there. These detailed plans will guide you step by step to build your very own pull-up bar frame at home. Whether you are a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, our blueprints make it easy. What is in our blueprints? There's a cutting list for the material. There's detailed dimensions for each and every component. There's an assembly bill of materials and also a list of the items you need to buy out. Then there's a list of the tools that you require. Note that each design that we do is specifically for the DIY person at home. You don't need commercial laser cutters or commercial bending brake presses to do any of the work. It's designed so that each and every product can be built with the basic tools that every DIY specialist should have at home. This will ensure that every build goes smooth and successful. Not only will you impress yourself with your DIY skills, but you will improve your fitness journey, making every workout enjoyable. So why wait? Transform your home gym area with our pull-up bar frame design. Head over to our website 3ddfm.com and get your blueprints today and start building. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more DIY projects from BPNL Consulting. Happy building and stay fit.